The 5-second rule for productivity. Want to stay focused and get more done? Use the 5-second rule to fight distractions. Steps to boost productivity. Identify the task. Countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Focus for at least 10 minutes. Example: distraction, scrolling social media. Task: study for an exam. Solution: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your phone away and start studying. Why does this work? It helps you start before distractions take over, builds focus through momentum. Try it today. Get your toughest task done in just 5 seconds. Countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Subscribe our channel for more productive tips and hacks.